Wake up and live the life you want to live every day. Every single day and every early morning is a brand new beginning. A positive start to every day in life is of utmost importance to keep ourselves energetic, happy, and refreshed throughout the day. Good morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly. Prayer is a wonderful way to communicate with God. As we begin the day, we pray for our protection. So, everybody get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, the country where we are born is our birthplace. We're proud to be an Indian. It is our privilege to safeguard its dignity and pride. So, it's time to take pledge. For pledge, I would like to invite Veer from class 8. Thank you, Veer. How we start our day determines how we create our life. Our thoughts affect our actions and play a part in our values and beliefs. It influences how we view the world at large. And next, we have thought of the day. For today's thought, I would like to invite Satyam from class 7. Good morning, everyone. My name is Satyam. Thought of the day is: the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. I repeat, the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Satyam. It is useful to stay updated on news items. By reading newspaper on a daily basis, we are better equipped to form opinions on things that are currently happening. News help us to connect with remarkable people and events. For today's news headlines, I would like to invite Arman from class 8. Thank you, Arman, for today's news update. My dear friends, it's too good to learn something new every day. A little and often is the best way to acquire new vocabulary. It's time to build our vocabulary by learning a new word. For word of the day, I would like to invite Gargi from class 7th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Gargi. Word of the day is delegate, and the meaning of this word is a person chosen or elected by a group to speak, vote for them, especially at a meeting. I'm using this in a sentence. Delegates from many countries participated in the conference. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you so much, Gargi, for enhancing our vocabulary. When we talk about one's growth and success, general knowledge plays an essential role in defining this. It develops students' social, sensitive reasoning, and analytical thinking skills. Let us check and enhance our knowledge. For GK quiz, I would like to invite Ane from class 8th. Thank you so much, Ane. After GK quiz, we are proud to be an Indian, and it's a really proud moment for us when we all sing national anthem and pay respect to our nation. My dear friends, we are at the end of today's morning assembly, so everybody take position for national anthem and start. After national anthem, today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.